Let's review the homework solution from the last episode. So here I have a new articles link, and we have your standard blog format. If I click on each one, it takes me to the individual page there, and I can read the whole thing. So there's getting to know us, and here's achieving maximum success. So if you worked on the homework, let's see how your solution stacks up against mine. In my routes file, I've added a new route here. Listen for /articles, and then once again use that articles controller, but this time we load an action called index. Now, if we take a look at articles controller, here's our new method. We begin by fetching, at least for this example, all articles in descending order. And then we load a new view, articles.index, and then we send through that collection. So again, notice we're starting to follow a convention. When we show an article, we load a view called show. When we list a collection of articles, we use a view called index in an action called index. It's important that we follow these conventions and remain consistent for all of your controllers. Now, if I take a look at that view, here's what we have. So because this view received a collection of articles, we can iterate over them, and for each article, we load this div here that has the title and the excerpt. Now, once again, right here, we don't have a thumbnail in the table, so I'm hard coding it. But in real life, you would add a new column for that thumbnail. And then here, you could update it to something like article thumbnail path or something like that. But hard coding is fine for now. Finally, notice that the title of each item here links to a new path, articles/NID. So when you click on that, think about it, this will then match because we're listening for articles and then a wildcard, and then we show the article. So everything should work. If we come back, give it a refresh, once again, this is what we end up with. And then we can go back home. But again, the thing I most want you to focus on is this convention here. Because when you think about it, so many of the websites we build are what we would call CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. So in the case of articles, we need a way to view all articles, a collection of articles. We need a way to show a single article. We need a way to create a new article. We need a way to edit an existing article. And of course, we need ways to physically update and persist an article, as well as delete that article. We can think of these as 7 RESTful controller actions. And we're going to talk about this quite a bit more in the next episode.